Today, we'll do a quick setup using our own NCR-80s using a BinDisc. First, press OK to get to the quick setup menu. Press OK. The measurement loop should be named sensor. Press the arrow to go to medium. Change to ballast and pebbles. Press OK. Press the arrow to get to application. Change to bunker. Press OK. Change the vessel bottom to conical. Press OK. Use the arrow to go to the vessel height. And we're going to change the vessel height to 120 feet. Using the plus to increment and the arrow to go forward. Press OK once that is changed. Let's change the maximum adjustment to 2 feet. Using the plus to increment and the arrow to move the value. Let's change the minimum adjustment to 120 using the plus to increment and the arrow to move the digits. Press OK. Once that is done, you successfully completed a quick setup.